For more videos like this, please subscribe.
YouTube! Tri-Stars. You hear me I say Tri-Stars are checking in one more time. I may say good morning to everybody. You know, good afternoon. Well, afternoon now still, you know. But me just love the good morning. Anyway, you still big up on yourself, you know. You don't know a long time when I check in, you know what I mean? Yeah, we there here are going easy right now. As I say, big respect for the last video. I see the comments, you know what I mean? My respect and thanks. Again, you see me? So here we are going now. Alright, me get a question in the comment box. Me not sure if me have it correctly. But I think the person that said if I do a video, me don't know if I have offload trailer or load a trailer or pick up a trailer or drop off a trailer. Me not sure. But for the offloading of trailer or picking up a trailer, them work here really, we're not really going at the back of the trailer. Oh, well, some work does. Like, you know, some company requests that you offload. You know, but that is basically mainly round town drivers. You know what I mean? Like, you know, short distance. Them get deliver like going at the back of the trailer and offload and anything. If at that, you're asking. But long haul driving are really, some company do that, but not all. You know what I mean? So, me not really do, that's something that, unload and offload thing there. You know, no. So if that you ask about, I think I can show you a video with that more. I can show you the video of me walk inside with the paperworks and them ensure that the right load me come pick up and then tell me which door I go up on. And I just go up on the door and wait, and then when it finish load, the only thing I may do is secure the load, you know, and lock the trailer back, and that's it. And same thing apply to the other company who I go make the delivery. So if a video like that you want to say, oh, unload a load, we can't really go up on the dock. Well, yeah, we can't really go up on the dock if we go watch, especially with video, if we go watch the trailer load, then load it with forklift. So for that your question, I'm not sure I can fulfill that one. But if I have to pick up a trailer and drop off one, if that's the question, right now, we need the process to pick up a trailer. Which this is very easy still, you know. You know what I mean? If a lot of people pick up trailer different from some. So I'm going to pick up that trailer here, I can go on location and go drop it off. It's going to be a short distance, maybe about 45 minutes worth of driving. So maybe I can just film or video all of that, maybe. You know what I mean? So I'm going to pick up one trailer right now. And yeah, just give you the procedure of picking up a trailer. It's simple and easy still. As soon as you identify your trailer, you know, you line up yourself to pick up that trailer. See? Now, line up yourself to pick up the trailer. You don't necessarily have to come out to your trailer to see if you will pick it up correctly. You know what I mean? By picking up over the years, you know the routine. You get used to it. You know, you see me I say? Alright, it's like this. More time when you turn for line up for your trailer. Line up your back wheel. Then with the trailer, once your back wheel line up perfect with the trailer, with the side of the trailer, you know you're hooked to the pin. Now, you have some occasion where the trailer drop too low, we have to come out and do some magic. Not really magic, we have to come out and do a whole power work, like one up the leg, you know, you use the chuck for help if you one up the leg, you drop the ear with the chuck back, reverse underneath it, and then build up at the ear again, and you go out there and try wind up the leg landing gear so that, you know, you can take some of the pressure off of you, and then you go out there and check again, you drop the ear, you know, reverse back more underneath it, lift it up again, you know, and till you get it right, you know. Now, some of the time you have a trailer drop too high, where more time you go underneath it, you line up properly, and you miss the pin. Now, that can be a hassle more time because when you miss the pin, the fifth wheel fly under the pin, and when you come back out, the fifth wheel upon a little grey like this, you stuck on the pin, so you find out so you can't go back and you can't go forward. You know what I mean? But you have a way for just use something to prise the pin, the fifth wheel so that it lie down flat, and then you can drive from under, or you can wind up the landing gear more so that you can, you know, move from underneath it and do it properly. Now, we have some ways to ensure that you don't pass the pin. And that is based on how how high the trailer lift from the back wheel. Right? Now, before we go on that truck here, me actually, honestly, me actually try make the attempt. And I see, you know what, at the perfect time this. So here it go now. Let me put on the necessary gears. As usual, I'm gonna have an understanding when I talk about tri-stars. We go for this here. Yeah, YouTube. So here we go on. This is the trailer here, the one I'm gonna pick up on the right side of me right now. The Trantex trailer. So basically, this is the trailer. See? Alright, we're gonna line up for back up on a trailer here. Alright, and I can see that in the mirror. Alright, make sure I can see that. Now, normally, when I go on the trailer here, I drop the ear. And the button here right here, so if I let out the ear from out of the ear bag on the back, so that the trailer can go low, right? Now, the tractor, I say, can go low. Now, I line up for that trailer here. If you notice, the place kind of like a slantish, but as I say, look on my two back tire, them I go to the edge of the trailer. That's how you know, say, you line up for the pin, right? Alright? But, I want you to look good. Look what I go on right there, so. You see your height there? Alright, I'm going to come out of the truck and show you what I go on. Alright. Alright. You see how high this there above from the wheel? From the trailer? Normally, when you did this high, you there really, it can hook to the pin, you know. But sometimes you have to watch it. Look how high the trailer. Sometimes you don't want it to be a little lower than this. A little bit too high, but it can work because, as you can see, the pin. So this is how you know you line up correct. You know what I mean? This is how you know you line up correctly. So I'm going to drop the ear and I'm going underneath it. I'm going underneath it. Alright. Now watch what I'm going to do. Care about the ear now. See me touch it. Let's go look again and see what I go on feet. Alright, look now, look now. You see a slight, I don't know if you can see it properly, but you see that slight space there in between. Now you have to drop the landing gear so that you can hook up properly. Because that little space is supposed to be flat down on the trailer. Not no space at all. You want to select properly. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna lower the hand. Alright, so I'm gonna lower the landing gear. So you have two gears in a landing gear. You have a high speed and you have a what do you call this now? You have high speed and you have a low speed. Low speed and load upon it, so you go free, but you go well slow. So the high speed now you draw it out and you go faster. Alright, see that if you know? Alright. Alright, see you drop down on it. See leg come out there now? So that means the trailer sit on the fifth wheel. So we're good to go now. Trailer sit down on the fifth wheel. So we good to reverse now. We're supposed to have it lock. Alright. Now we do a tug test. Put in a gear and you go forward. Alright. So you go backward again. Alright. That's your tug test. That's your tug test. So we're going to hook up the trailer now. Hook up the trailer now, YouTube. Alright. Blue to blue. Alright. In here, so where they keep the paperworks. Paperworks in the trailer for pre-trip the trailer. See him? Light card and trailer airline this. See, have a look. See it there? But then you go on that trailer and then you look for your pin. You see pin select right there, so we're good to go. So we're going to wind up the leg now and I'll weed that. Walk around the trailer, see if everything alright with the trailer before you drive off. You understand? So make sure you walk around, you know, pray it, look if all of the standing and lock up. Look in the back of the trailer if it's empty. Alright, when it's empty and clean. Yeah. Alright my peeps, are we that, so we are carried on to the next journey now. You know what I mean? We are going to test the light them. So we're going to look at before we flash them at work. Put on the trailer. Alright, see my flash there. Check the light them. I get a quick free trip, you know. Before we flash them at work. Alright, four-way flasher. Four-way flasher. Alright. So a quick pre-trip we give. Quick. That means we're not over here sometime. It's a quick pre-trip and go through because we have one more trailer we come back for. No. I'm gonna check the brake light on the trailer. Normally you check the brake light, you can use it. Hold on there. Lock off it. Can use the seat belts to check the brake light. See? Now, you wrap the seat belts around the trailer brake. Trailer brake this. So you wrap the seat belt around it. You understand? And the seat belt, when you wrap the seat belt around it, you hold it down and go and look on the trailer light, right? Look on the trailer light. Alright, see there? Trailer light on. I'm gonna say trailer light at work. Yeah. Alright. Like here the leak a while ago that never set properly. So see it now, we're gonna release it. Yeah, alright. So you use this, when you alone at work, you use a seat belt to check your trailer brake light. Yeah. So we that now. Quick 1-3. You know, up and now. So I'll jump on a trailer here. 45 minutes away from here, so. Well, I'm going to set up my next camera, my dash cam. So that means I'm going to take our this. We have a dash cam for work with, you see me? Alright. 'Cause 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 ' Alright. Dash cam that. Alright, let me plug it up from pressure because I'm not ready to use it yet. Alright, one more talk test. Alright, read that. Now we are coming from the spot here. Alright, we're clear. We're good to go. So we take on the journey now, YouTube. Alright. You can pass this on your trailer? I don't think so. Alright, now go around. I'll come around, come again.
must think that I'm stupid. You must think that I'm a fool. You must think that I'm new to this, but I have seen this all before. Never gonna let you close to me, even though you mean the most to me. Every time I open up, it hurts. So I'm never gonna get too close to you, even when I mean the most to you, in case you go and leave me in the dirt. you're thinking I'm cold. I'm just protecting my innocence. I'm just protecting my soul. I'm never gonna let you close to me, even when you mean the most to me. Every time I open up it hurts. Oh, I'm never gonna get too close to you, even when I mean the most to you. In case you go and leave me in the dirt. And every time you hurt me, the less that I cry. And every time you leave me, the quicker these tears dry. Every time you hurt me, the less I love you. Maybe we don't stand a chance. I'll make so good at goodbyes.
Yes, YouTube. I reach my destination. So basically, I got just park this trailer. We know the routine already. On empty yard this, we can just go straight across and do it the easy way. We can do it the easy way. You know what I mean? Alright. You have the yellow line on the ground. If you look, you can see the yellow line on the ground, right? Normally when the yellow line here mark wide enough so that your trailer can go in between. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use the trailer line as my marking object. I'm going to tell you now. Because we have whopper space. We can't do whopper things right now. You understand? What is that? As a message just to the video. You understand? So here it is. The partner empty lot. I already know we're marking. Look. Swing to the left. And you stop. In another center now, you don't have to go out there for open the door because you drop the trailer. Alright. Stump on the edge of my seat. And half my body outside, as I say. So I watch everything, you can see everything. I don't know if you can see the yellow line, but yellow line the right there, so and see me break my trailer if I go right in from the yellow line there. So if you look good, see the trailer, I go walk near the yellow line right now. Alright, see there? See there? See there? See there, my peeps? Smooth. Alright. See that now? Catch the next mirror, look on it, see how far it then, and then I fix up now. You know what I mean? So, see me walk near my yellow line, and I mean that. See there? Looking good. Alright. Me that. You see, you not to all that straight, you know. But it's when the trail not straight, like this now, not really straight, but we can drop it. But just see the video, just see the vlog, I'm gonna go out again. And I mean that. See there? See there? Back in straight now. Alright, easy 1 3. How is that? Let's go back some more. How is this? Yeah, so we're gonna drop the trailer now. We drop the trailer and go pick up the next one. So that we're going to right now. Don't forget the gloves. You can switch off your truck. If you don't know your company like any truck and truck cleaner. Alright. Alright, so this is how I drop my trailer. I release the pin. Alright, put my hook and then I lower the landing gear. Alright. Now we lower my landing gear. Then I mean that now. You know what I mean? So right now I'm gonna just drop the release the gear out of the tractor so that we can slide from underneath easy. Look at them. See? Can you hear the gear on there release? watch out, watch out. Slide from underneath it. Smooth and easy YouTube. See that? Smooth and easy. Alright, so let me make the ear go back. Alright. So we that with the first drop off. So we're going for the other trailer now. So as I said, just only go 45 minutes where I drive in. YouTube! Hear me I say I try stars, and so me I say me reach out as I said, we pick up the trailer from Montreal. We can come down in our area, 45 minutes drive away. You know what I mean? We can drop up that one area, go off the other one. You know what I mean? Because 2 empty trailer I have to carry back and forth. So yeah, basically that's it. To finish, we complete one of the journey. Them was like carry empty box come on one location, forget to load it for you know, for come back and pick it up when it load or whatever. So something like that we do right now. So basically there's a little round town shunting basically. You know what I mean? We don't really do them thing here often, but sometimes company asks you because they need the box to go to the location, so we just jump on it. So that's it. As I say, easy 1-3. You know, I just want to tell everybody big up themselves. We go for the other box, so stay tuned, see when we not done work. I saw the thing go. We just carry through one of the process, them showing how, you know, another one could easy, simple area. Simple little thing. 1-3. Big up on yourself. Try stars.
The club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking faster than we talk slow. Come on over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop, put the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. All weekend, we let the story begin. We're going out on our first date. You and me are thrifty, so go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and I'll fill up your plate. Talk for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour, and how your family is doing okay. Leaving, get in the taxi, then we kiss in the backseat. Tell the driver, make the radio play.
Yo, try stars, I pick up in load and now pick up drive about on the 90, you know what I mean? So you know how we do it. Pick up the trailer, we don't know the routine already. You know, take your time, line up, just back wheel them with the edge of the trailer. You know what I mean? Yeah, see that now? Right away, you see it's high enough for them to really need to drop the ear, but for some reason it's like it too high now. Down, you know, feel so? Feel like it too high, man. Good God, what am I talking about? Back up light. Look like it too high, man. Look again. Look again. You see? Like it too high. Alright, we're gonna drop the trailer somewhere. Now I'm going further because we don't want to miss it. You see me? Yeah, man. Like it too high, man. I gotta drop it. You know the routine already, you know. All right. Oh man. You hear that? Yeah. Yes, YouTube, try stars, you know, hook up the truck, you know. Yeah. Look on trailer license plate. What is? K51 52T. K51 52T. Yeah, YouTube, outside cool. Oh my god. What's that? People. And a joke thing out there. Alright, I gotta do up my logbook thing, you know.
And I know she'll be the death of me, at least we'll both be known. And she'll always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come. But at least we'll both be beautiful and stay forever young. This I know, this I know. She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry no more. We both know you can't go without it. She told me you'll never be alone. I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it. Oh, I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it. Oh, I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it. Oh, I love it. And I know she'll be the death of me, at least we'll both know. And she'll always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come. All the misery was necessary when we're deep in love. This I know, yeah, girl, I know. She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry no more. We both know we can't go without it. She told me you'll never be alone. I love it. Oh, I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you. in love, this I know. Yeah, girl, I know. She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry no more. We both know we can't go without it. She told me you'll never be in love.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.